Howdy, folks. Howdy, folks. It's Hansom, and today we have one of my favorites. But before we get into this, hit that like, hit that subscribe. We're doing the good old light seals on this camera. Can't believe I haven't done this before. Love this camera. It is, of course, it's part of the A-1 line. This came out in 1978 and was produced until 1985, which is pretty phenomenal. This was the first SLR that could shoot shutter priority and aperture priority. It was just mind-blowing. Innovative technology marked a significant shift toward electronic camera design. Alright, so today we're going to be doing the light seals and the mirror cushion. But Hansom, the mirror cushion looks like it's intact. Oh, I didn't know that they degrade. Got him! First and foremost, we're going to pull this lever here. We're going to pull off this door because it's filthy. Absolutely filthy. Before we get into that, going on to my website, hansomshop.com. Go to my Shopify, buy my tools. Straight tweezers, curved tweezers. These are good old forged, old soldering tools. My Fiskars, my good old hands. That's all you need. Not my hands, your hands. But if you want my hands, you have to pay. Alright, I'm fired. It's okay, regardless. We're going to get to scraping. We're going to get to scraping right away, right here. Oh, and for the record, I'll be using 1.5 millimeter light seal foam for here and for the mirror box. Got them from uscamera.com. It's right here. I'll throw the link up there. And if you buy the seals or anything from there, please put Hansom's Repairs sent me. I'm gonna do something with them, and they did not reply to any of my emails. But I'm not gonna be a wanker and buy the stuff from there and then sell it on my website, which I could totally do that and not even include them. But I like the photo community and I would like to help. Let's get back on track. Get to scraping these light seals away. Try to take as much of the debris as possible out. That was pretty chill. Pay attention to where they start. Well, I know this camera like the back of my hand, so I know where they are, but there are indentions in there that indicate where they stopped the foam. Boom. Let's get to scraping this mirror box real fast. Alright, so we're all clean and scraped up and scraped out. Know what I'm talking about. Clean your mat, or Granny will come spank you. We're going to scrape the inside of this door from the residue of the seal that is on there. Love light seal debris all over my mat. So I pre-cut these already. Cut the tip. Sorry, fellas. And I like to start the beginning this edge here because we're going to lay foam here all the way through. I remember my mentor getting on to me and I was like, oh, I didn't go all the way through. Then the customer shot it and had light leaks. What do you know? So it stuck with me. Put that on vibrate, but you'll probably still hear that too. Gonna use that. Always have to cut the top one because you cannot go over this lever. Got the tip. Yep. No crying. We're just gonna set them in nice and easy. Go back over them. And I'm pulling with tension on my left hand, but not a lot of tension. You want to set them straight down. You don't want them sticking to the walls. To the window! Alright. Whatever happened to those twins? And were they actually twins? Alright, we got those in. And we have this John. Now, I need to show y'all something. Because this is what I meant. Boom. It's going all the way in. And that's why we start our light seal here. Zoom in and see that. Boom, 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 boom. We are good. Give me some blow. And we already wiped this down, so let's go ahead and test. And we live. Make sure none of the pieces are coming off. I do notice a little bit of crap right there that could pull the light seal off. Alright, gave it some Ozempic and we're going to throw it on. Now we should now we're flush. Now we're pretty. You can see that mirror going up and down right there. Give it some pressure and we are all the way live. Alrighty folks, alright, what am I doing? That is how we do light seals for the Canon A-1. Gotta keep these cameras sealed up. Thank you for your time, thank you for your patience. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, holla at your boy, leave a comment. Until next time, don't break nothing. Peace! I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, I'm no